Welcome! So today I'm gonna be cooking a suggested recipe from my friends all the way from Mexico, and this is called churipo. As you can see here, I'm gonna be using oxtail because I just love the flavor of it. It has a perfect combination of bones, meat, and tendon. This dish instantly became a favorite because it has all my favorite vegetables in it. And by the way, the recipe called for different types of chili and green chili, but I don't have them at the moment. And I guess it's alright because only my portion will be spicy. Granny and grandpa can't eat spicy food, so yeah. And also, I will call this dish as one pot dish because it has everything in it. It has protein from the beef, fiber and nutrients from vegetables, plus it has carbohydrates from corn and potatoes. And I just love the amount of coriander in this recipe because it helps balance the gamey taste of the beef, I guess. And one thing I love is it's practically easy to prepare as well. We start off by boiling our corn and beef for about 2 hours with enough water to cover just the entire thing right here. And the best way to cook the beef is actually simmer it over low fire. There goes in our onions and garlics, and then we just have to wait for 2 hours. So while our meat is boiling, let's prepare our vegetables. And it's no fuss, we can cut it into big chunks. This is what I love about cooking soup because you don't have to cut every vegetables into small pieces. And as you can see here, I'm gonna grind this chili mixture. It's just a small portion because it's just for myself. As I said, Granny and Grandpa can't eat spicy food, so yes, small portion just for me. It's thick paste because I didn't add water because I know I will have some soup, so I don't need to add water in that one. Once the meat is tender, you can actually add in the coriander and the rest of the vegetables and cook it to your desired doneness. Nothing really like fussy about this. It's so simple as that. So I separate a portion for myself to put in the chili paste that I made earlier because I really wanted to experience the exact taste of the main recipe with all the ingredients in it and the chili paste. And so I'm just gonna cook it, and I can't wait to try it. And I guess it's done, so yeah, let's try it. Let's squeeze in some lemon because this is a serving suggestions, but I guess this soup is very flavorful that even without the lemon it'll be fine. But the lemon actually adds that roundness to the taste, as you can tell it on my face. So hope you like this, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until the next video.